we'd just like to point out a crucial improvement that we've made to doing your Pusheen system. We've done it the traditional way and had problems that actually ended up damaging the molds, and so we figured out a way to do it that's better. The issue is how to get those gas holders to anchor into the neck of the digester, and what they have provided is they've provided these pegs, which when you're pouring the cement, you're pouring the concrete, you slide it through the hole here, and then when you do the pour in between the outer mold and the inner mold of the neck, that concrete comes around here, and when you're done, you pull this out, and then you've got a hole where then the anchor bolt can slide into that hole in the cement. However, the problem is that this stuff will get caught in the concrete and very hard to get out. So hard, in fact, that in Brazil we had to remove these pull pins because we couldn't get it out. And then we had to take a crowbar, and it was just impossible. I mean, we'd taken a crowbar here to get it out. We had to remove these and pull the thing out over it. Imagine what we had to do is to sort of make it look like this here, and then use a crowbar to get it out. It was a big pain. So then we oiled these down really well like we were supposed to. That didn't help. We put paper on them. We put plastic on them. Either way, we were having real problems because cement would get caught up inside this hole here. And so no matter what you do to this metal pin, oiling it, putting paper, putting plastic, it just is a problem, a pain. We removed these bolts here so we could just slide them in and then try to hammer them out or crowbar them out. We ended up damaging the molds with the crowbar. So what we hit upon using a piece of 1-inch PVC. And the 1-inch PVC is the same diameter as the pins they have, but it has the advantage of being just wide enough in the inner diameter to fit the pin. So as long as you have the right wall thickness so that this can slide in and out, and you've got the right outer thickness, this then piece can be used instead. So you'd have this going through, and you have this going through, and that's what you're going to end up seeing. And then you leave it in there. Don't worry about taking it out, because then this will slide in like it's supposed to. So we're just marking that now. And we've decided after some trial and error that we want to make it very easy on ourselves. Take the Pusheen pin that's provided, just hold it down with that handle, and then draw your line. And that becomes your pace. And then you can do the same thing all the way down, and just cut yourself 3 pieces of 1-inch pipe, and that's what's going to go in there. And we'll do this again for you later on when we actually do the cut.